Guangdong Shunde Bestwin Commercial Kitchenware Company Limited is a professional catering and kitchenware supplier in Shunde District, Foshan City. Established in 2019, our related factory is located in Nanhai District, Foshan City, very close to Guangzhou, Jiangmen, and Shenzhen, so it will be very convenient in transportation. Bestwin's is specialized in polycarbonate food pan, stainless steel GN pan, plastic service trolley, glass rack, fast food tray, plastic trash bin, plastic storage containers, insulated food pan carriers, hotel and restaurant ware for customers' one-stop purchasing. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to meet your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Welcome to custom your own brand of any catering products. Bestwin's has professional intelligent engineer support, high-efficiency sales team, assemble line and testing room, with strict QC to develop many new products every year and ensure the stable, excellent quality for the customers. After several years' development, we have achieved great progress. Our R&D departments provide the strong technical support and enable us to receive some OEM and ODM projects that can meet customers' different requirement. Most of our products have been selling to Europe, Australia, Japan, Germany, North America, Middle East, Southeast Asia market and have won good reputation with quality, good service, and reasonable price. We are looking forward to get more cooperation with you in the future.